While visiting ST Hi-Tec in Auckland, New Zealand and making a tour video of their shop, Shane's R32 caught our eye. Not because it's the wildest GTR we've seen, but because it's a good street car package that works, and it looks good without having gone over the top. Shane is also an avid GTR enthusiast and active member of the GTR scene. Visually, the Nardo Grey respray looks fantastic and suits the R32. There is a Rocket Dancer carbon rear wing extension and carbon exhaust surround, as well as the Motive headlight duct up front. The wheels are Enki 18 by 9.5 inch PF01s wrapped in Hoosier drag radials, and inside are R33 Brembo brakes. Inside there is a leather retrim, AIM Strata digital dash, and the lever for the Hollinger sequential transmission.
Risky when he run that 9 out at Cootamundra, I was like, Hollinger baby, Hollinger.
Hollinger baby, Hollinger.
But now he's like, Albans baby, Albans.
The gearbox was required thanks to the 600 kilowatt engine combo under the hood from ST Hi-Tec. The RB30 block is reinforced with one of ST Hi-Tec's engine braces and runs forged rods and pistons in large sump, Tomei oil pump and ATI balancer. The ported head runs Tomei 280 degree camshafts with Tomei springs, retainers, buckets and head studs. Boost is provided by a Garrett GTX 4088R turbocharger on a Synco exhaust manifold with a 60mm teal external wastegate. It blows into the upgraded intercooler and into the stock inlet manifold. There's a 4-inch exhaust, and the fuel system is upgraded with Bosch 1650cc injectors and Bosch 044 fuel pumps up back. There's an ST Hi-Tec R35 coil pack kit to provide the spark. All up, it's good for 600 kilowatts or 800 wheel horsepower, tuned with a Link G4 Plus ECU. We got to see the car in action and go for a ride at the 2021 ST Hi-Tec GTR Festival New Zealand at Hampton Downs.
So thanks to Ian, we got something neat.
All right, let's show them. Dave, spot on, bro.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy.
I just got to get some seat time in it. Hopefully I get a 9.99 is what I'm looking for down the quarter.
Put a radio on it, let me drive it, and it'll probably go, based on what I felt then, I reckon that's probably a 920, 930 and about 150, 152 without trying.
It should be good.
Yeah, it should be about there.
Yeah, good fun today, good fun.
No, it's a good combo, it comes on strong. 3 litres working with that turbo, sequential's killer, it's a good setup.
Yeah, it's good, all right.
Yeah, it's bang on.
I know
you can use it, it's good.
I know it's fairly quick, so.
Yeah.